Facebook is one of the most powerful marketing platforms. It offers a unique combination of vast audience reach and targeting capabilities. However, getting leads from Facebook is only half the battle. Converting them into paying customers is the real challenge. How quickly are you converting your Facebook leads into customers? Before we delve into conversion speed, it's crucial to grasp the life cycle of a Facebook lead. 1. Awareness. A potential customer sees your ad for the first time. 2. Engagement. They interact with the ad by liking, sharing, or commenting. 3. Consideration. The user clicks on the ad, leading to a landing page or a lead capture form. 4. Conversion. The lead makes a purchase, signs up for your service, or takes another desired action. Throughout these stages, the time a lead spends in each phase can vary, but the quicker you move them from awareness to conversion, the better. Why speed matters. Attention spans are diminishing. In a world filled with information overload, users often move on if they're not promptly engaged. A delay in response or action can result in lost opportunities. Rapid response equals high interest. A study by Harvard Business Review found that companies that contacted potential leads within an hour were nearly 7 times more likely to qualify the lead than those who waited even an hour longer. Building trust. Quickly addressing a lead's needs or concerns shows professionalism and can foster trust. Several factors can dictate how quickly you convert your Facebook leads. Quality of the lead. Not all leads are equal. Some are warmer than others. Leads that come from referrals, for instance, might convert faster than those from cold outreach. The offer. If you have a limited time offer or a flash sale, the urgency can drive quicker conversions. Follow-up strategy. How and when you engage with your leads post-click can make a significant difference. Efficient CRM systems and automated follow-ups can accelerate conversions. Here are some tips for faster conversion. Optimize landing pages. Make sure your landing pages are concise, relevant to the ad, and have a clear call to action. The less time users spend figuring out the next step, the faster they'll convert. Automate your responses. Use chatbots or automated messaging systems to answer frequently asked questions or guide users through a process 24/7. Segment your audience. Not all Facebook leads have the same needs or intentions. By segmenting them based on behavior or demographics, you can tailor your follow-up strategies for quicker conversions. Retarget. Sometimes, leads need a little nudge. Use Facebook's retargeting tools to remind them of your offer. Speedy customer service. Ensure your team is equipped and trained to handle queries and concerns swiftly. The faster a lead's questions are addressed, the quicker they'll feel confident to convert. Feedback loop. Regularly collect feedback from leads and customers. Their insights can help you identify bottlenecks or pain points in the conversion process, allowing for necessary adjustments. It's essential not only to implement strategies but also to measure their effectiveness. Here are some metrics you should monitor. Lead response time. The average time it takes for your team to respond to a lead after they've shown interest. Conversion rate. The percentage of leads that turn into paying customers. Time to conversion. The average time it takes a lead to convert after first contact. Customer lifetime value. Helps in determining the long-term value of faster conversions. While Facebook is a treasure trove of potential customers, remember that merely attracting leads is not the end goal. Efficient conversion strategies are vital. Speed, coupled with a personalized approach, can significantly enhance your conversion rate, impacting your bottom line positively. So always be on the lookout for ways to quicken your lead-to-customer journey. To learn more about Facebook marketing, check out our step-by-step video course, Facebook Ad Secrets. I'll put the link in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button.